It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to hellohnclothing, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this beautiful spiral design here. Yes, so materials used in this project, we have satin, we also have organza that was used in this project. So if you want to see how this tutorial or how this design was being made, please do keep on watching. And yeah, let's dive right into today's video. Okay, so this is my organza fabric and this is the mesh. I'm just going to be doing a mock-up of what we want to do. First things first, I will cut a half circle skirt, not a full one, just a half circle for the skirt design at the bottom. Okay, so I have this, and yeah, I'm going to be measuring from the top. Let's say I'll use a radius of, let's say, 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Okay. And from that 3.5 inches, I'll just do the length of what is here, which is like 14 inches round. I'll do 14 inches round. Okay, so let me cut this out. Right, so this is what we're having for the bottom design. You know, this will be put at the knee, and this is what the bottom will be. So for this bottom now, you're going to sew this place closed. And next, you want to create spirals here. You want to create spirals. So if you want a huge rose just at the middle, from there, look for the center and you draw spirals, that's circles, round. So make sure that it's actually like symmetric, like equal, I mean. Make sure that the rose, that's the circle, is equal in width, round. So it finishes here. So I'm just going to be doing one big rose on this part. Just draw spirals like you want to do a circle design. Once you're done with the spirals, you can keep this one side. Let me just keep this. And next, you take your organza fabric and you measure the length of what you want to use for your rose, depending on you. So I'll be measuring, let's say, about 3 inches. Okay, and yeah, that 3 inches I'll just notch and open it up there. I'm able to tear this because this is on a straight grain. If it was a fabric that was not on the straight grain, you won't be able to tear that though. It's going to, your fabric will get messed up. So take as many as you want. So I think I'll just work with these 2 straps. Then what you want to do is you're going to be whipping this place. Take this to your whipping machine and whip this place. You want to whip it so you have a very clean finish on that edge. You don't want it fraying like this. Whip it. So I'm going to go ahead to iron. Whip and iron. So let me quickly do that and I'll be right back. And now I've gone ahead to iron this. You can see how smooth it is. Whip, please whip. Okay, so What you want to do next is, before you close up the side here, you're going to take it opened like this, okay, like what you have here, and then you're going to start sewing from the edge. That's from this part. You're going to be sewing this down, sewing it round that circle. You're going to sew round. Make sure you cut enough strips. You'll be needing a whole lot if you want to achieve what you have right there on your screen. You'll be needing close to like 50 yards of this tool, organza, I mean. Close to, like, if you want the rows everywhere. So you're just doing that. And of course, you see that my rose is very widely spaced. That one that you can see is about 1 inch spaced. And please, you join up everything so that it's one long piece. You don't want to see any joining. You join everything up and you go round. So let me quickly show you what it is going to be. Let me take it to the machine and let's sew it together.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, guys, so this is what we have after sewing everything up together. Okay, so you see that it's quite easy. All you need to do is space it evenly. Look at, I didn't space it evenly. You know, I just used the free hand. So I had this whole white space. You'll be having something like this on the front. And because this is just a small size that we have done, you know, let me just put this here so that it covers up the fullness. I just wanted to show you that it actually isn't hard. All you need to do, you can use this straight one. This one will make the rose design stand like it should. Okay, yeah, and this is all it is. This is all it is, guys. Please do not forget to whip that side before you start sewing so that you have a very clean finish on the inside. Also, the spacing, you could do 1/2 inch between each row of rose design, 1/2 inch in between or 1 inch in between, but don't go as far as doing like 2 inch. You can see how wide it's going to be. You actually don't want your client, or you don't want the design, that's whatever you're using for the base, you wouldn't want it to be showing. So you see, when we now disguised it with this, you know, the base isn't really showing as such. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to achieve. And once you're done with that, you have your beautiful rose design. So if you're going to be trying this out, please let me know in the comment section below. If you think this tutorial was also helpful, let me know as well. As for the picture, you can see we have one in the front. You can do on the sides, at the back, like just the rose design all around the bottom piece, or you centralize basically on the front, then the back will just be plain like what we can see here. However you decide you want to go about it is up to you. Okay, so as usual, if you did enjoy this tutorial, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are yet to. I would love to read your comments, please. Okay, and so we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, God bless you, bye.